Hello and welcome to Tech. I am Mohammad Adnan, and in this video we are going to discuss about what is Alteryx. It's a great tool, and please watch this video till the end to understand completely what it is and how you can get benefit out of it. If you are new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notification. Now let's get started. What is Alteryx? Alteryx, mainly known for self-service data analytics tool. Alteryx is the only quick to implement end-to-end data analytics platform for your organization that allows data scientists and analysts alike to solve business problems faster than you ever thought possible. With an easy to use user interface, these tools can be used as extract, transform, and load. The product works with multiple data sources and perform complex analytics including predictive, spatial, and statistical. With this tool, user can find and understand what information is at their disposal, analyze data from more sources, and easily deliver business insights. 62% of data analysts have to depend on others within their organization to perform at least some steps in the analytics process. 69% of data analysts are not satisfied with the quality of final output. 81% of the data analysts are not satisfied with the overall speed of the analytics process. As per the Gartner November 2019 report of the data science, Alteryx is one of the leaders among them, and which leads high on the ability to execute, but some step behind in the visionary area. What makes Alteryx different? It is the leader in the self-service data analytics movement with a platform that can discover, prepare, and analyze all your data, plus deploy and share analytics at scale of deeper insights. Not only that, it has a repeatable workflow, automate manual data tasks into repeatable analytics workflows, code-free or the code-friendly, intuitive interface for both analytics modeling without code and advanced modeling with code, deployable analytics. While many modeling tools exist on the market, we give you the freedom to deploy and manage analytics models. You can create models here and you can deploy it to Click or Tableau. Flexible plus diverse. Start with what you need and grow over time with your open platform. We support nearly every data source and visualization tool. Wigged ROE. Intuitive interface for analytics modeling without code as well as advanced modeling with code. Scale plus governance. So scaling analytics for your organization translates into performance, security, collaboration, and governance. Products of Alteryx. It has Alteryx API platform, Alteryx Analytics Hub, the Designer, Server, Connect, Promote, Intelligence Suite, and datasets. So Designer, Server, Connect, and Promote are the main factors here, are the main products here. So we'll discuss about the Alteryx Designer. Alteryx Designer empowers analysts and data scientists with a self-service data analytic experience to unlock answers from nearly any data sources available with 250 plus code-free and code-friendly tools. Using a repeatable drag and drop workflow, you can easily, quickly profile, prepare, and blend all of your data without having to write SQL code or custom script. This used to require leveraging multiple tools and even multiple people to create an analytic model or report. Not anymore. Connect to data wherever it lives with 70 plus native data connections and the ability to scrape web data. The next is we can cleanse, prepare and blend the data. And Visualytics, it has a predictive, prescriptive and statistical data modeling. And also spatial analytics, output and share analytic results. This is how the interface will look like. So you can input the data, prepare the data, blend the data, and you can predict the data and then the share insights. Now let's dig into deep of the Altix designer. So you can connect to the data wherever it lives. With 70 plus native data connections and ability to scrape data, Designer empowers you to work with nearly any data source available: data warehouse, ERP, and cloud-based applications, flat files, office applications, social media data, and legacy analytics platforms. It doesn't matter if it is in cloud or on your desktop, in traditional warehouse or on the web. You can connect with Alteryx Designer wherever possible. And then you can cleanse, prepare, and blend the data. Whip your data into shape up to 100 times faster via our intuitive interface and let you blend multiple sources together, no matter if it is big, small, dirty, raw, or data from discrete systems. Cleanse and prepare the data on your system or leverage the flexibility of the power of the cloud for your big data analytics. Eliminate your manual data preparation tasks such as removing nulls and duplicate entries, grouping or summarizing the data, finding unique values, and much more. With the help of this Visualytics, inline Visualytics instantly validates the health, quality, and statistical distribution of your data throughout your workflow to streamline your analytics process. Deliver Visualytics insights to your stakeholders for further exploration and deeper understanding of your analysis through multiple interactive charts. So sales by location, sales by order type, and sales by product category, the multiple options here. And then you can also use the predictive, prescriptive, and statistical modeling. Whether looking to apply different kind of regression analysis, neural networks, decision trees, time series modeling, or more, we have got you covered. But here the big difference, it's all visually accessible from Alteryx Designer. Data scientists and citizens users alike can create powerful advanced analytics models using 50 plus code-free pre-built tools or getting down and dirty writing or Python script. Spatial analytics, powering up business decisions with geospatial data and analysis to optimize marketing campaigns, sales territories, transportation, and logistics. Our service coverage can deliver powerful results. Alteryx enables anyone to unleash geospatial intelligence to conduct and visualize advanced location-based calculations such as time, drive time, trade area, and spatial matching and point creation analysis all in the same analytic workflow. Output and share analytic results. Bring your insights to life in the format that works best for you. Create custom reports featuring map, data tables, text, images, and charts in a wide array of formats including PDF, HTML, DocX, XLS, and more. Create, share, and publish custom analytics apps without coding, allowing business decision makers to easily interact with your model and set parameters to their liking for key insights. Finally, directly deliver the right data in the right structure to power visualization formats like Microsoft Power BI, Tableau, and Click. Flow of Alteryx. So first of all, you will input the data. We have 70 plus native data connections. Once you connect to the data source, you can clean the data, add, modify, or filter the column, or transform the data with the help of 250 plus code-free or code-friendly tools. And after that, you can blend the data and then joining the data sources and split the column and start to analyze the data with the help of 250 code-free and code-friendly tools. So basically, it is input the data, clean or transform the data, blend the data, and then analyze the data. After that, finally, it is shared with the others. Then what's the use of benefits of the Alteryx? You can connect to multiple data sources. You can analyze data from many sources, including spreadsheets, cloud or on-premises data stores, SQL, AWS, Salesforce, or the flat file. And you can access, blend, clean the data set of any size, small to massive. A drag and drop user interface with no coding requirements. Create custom workflows to save and share across the organization, including a public analytics gallery. Datasets delivered directly into Microsoft Power BI, Click, and Tableau. This will be really helpful for the data analyst as well as the data scientist in order to clean the data, transform the data, blend the data, and get the insight of the data, no matter what the data volume is, what the data size is. I'm going to cover the features about the Alteryx in the upcoming days. So if you like this video and if you want me to do more on this Alteryx platform, you just click on the big thumbs up button, and please don't forget to post your comments on the comment section below. So if you like this video, just click on the big thumbs up button. If you're new to this channel or if you haven't subscribed yet, just click on the subscribe button and also press the bell icon to get the latest notifications. But make sure you turn on the notification on your devices. Share it with your friends and colleagues. If you have any queries and feedback, just post it on the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Keep learning. See you in the next video.